Hello everyone. Guess what came in the mail today? Another credit card. So you know what that means? Another review and unboxing. Let's dive right into it. All right guys, so this is the envelope. I've turned it the other way around just so that I don't want my personal information up on the internet there. So let's open this thing up. All right, so you guys know by now, this is the Amazon credit card. There are a bunch of Amazon credit cards you could apply directly from the Amazon.com website. This is the one without any annual fee, and this is not the one that is in the Amex network. This is on the Visa network. So the Amex one is obviously offered by Amex. This one is issued by Synchrony Bank. Let's see what's in the envelope. Buy now, pay over time with promotional financing. You have that 0% APR financing for purchases of $50 or more, pay over time, flexible options, etc. I'm not going to go into a lot of details. You could just go into amazon.com/financing to know more details. But as you guys know, what we preach on this channel, pay off your credit cards in full every month. Okay, let's see what else is in here. This one kind of outlines all the terms and conditions. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail into this. Here they also say, let's see, easy, secure, and convenient. Enroll in e-statements, asking you to go paperless. This is where they speak a little more about the card itself. Authorized users, how to do that. You could go to amazon.com/wallet, make your payments, etc. They also have a credit card for Prime members that gives you 5% back. This card is not the Prime card, of course. How you could manage your account online. This is what this entails. Nothing on the back side. Finally, the card itself, the moment we have been waiting for. It's a Amazon card issued by Synchrony Bank. Okay, so here's the credit card. Enjoy your new benefits. Got a $0 annual fee, which is great. It's got promotional financing. You could find more at amazon.com/financing. You need to upgrade to the Prime card to get 5% back, but that is not why we got this card. I got this card because the Amazon store card, the moment you're approved, you get a $60 Amazon.com credit immediately in your Amazon.com account. So there's no spend that's required to get that $60. It's instant. You get that immediately in your account. So I needed to spend $0 to get $60. So that's why I got this card. And there's so many things you could buy on Amazon. Amazon credit is just like cash, at least for me and my lifestyle. This is just like cash to me because we shop so much from Amazon. Also, for those of you that are curious, the limit that I received is $1,100. I did have some recent hard pulls due to some credit applications, but other than that, my credit score is over 800. So that gives you some kind of context on what kind of credit limit you could get. I'm sure you could ask for an increase over time, but Synchrony Bank is known to be a little more risk averse, if you will. So $1,100 is the limit that I got with that kind of credit profile. All right, so let's look at the card. You could see you could bend it, so this is a plastic card, no doubt, but overall looks pretty decent. It says no activation required. Remember to set your card as your default form of payment for all your Amazon purchases. Thank you for being an Amazon store card holder. Okay, let's take off the sticker. Oops, this came right off. Let's get rid of this as well. Okay, it's a pretty standard credit card. It's plastic, but it still looks good. Doesn't look cheap. If you've seen any credit or debit card, the weight and the feel is just like that, but the design's pretty good. No embossing or engraving. It's all flat, but you know, the shiny and the matte there, it looks pretty good. As you can see, it plays with the light a little bit. I like it. Almost looks aluminum. It's not, but can't complain for a store credit card with $0 annual fee from Synchrony Bank. What more can you ask for, right? At the back, the card numbers here, so that's why I am hiding that with my finger here. Very standard, nothing else, issued by Synchrony, but that's about it. There's nothing more to it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. Happy to answer that for you guys. Pretty straightforward credit card, very little effort needed to get that 60 bucks. For just a few minutes worth of effort. You don't even need that card unless you're using it. Once you add that to your Amazon account, yeah, you could put this card in a drawer and you could just use this as a default payment at Amazon, and it would continue charging that card there and you could just pay it off. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, very little effort needed to get that 60 bucks, especially in this day and age, who doesn't shop at Amazon, right? So I'm pretty sure we'll go through that 60 bucks pretty soon. So that's about it, guys. Happy to answer any questions. So if that's it, let me know in the comment section below, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.